Morning, y'all. My buddy Larry here had a great idea about making a video to promote or otherwise inform people about this track day that we're doing at Grattan. I don't do social media, so I really don't have access to anything other than internet go-kart blogs and stuff like that. So what we're doing is we're doing a track day, karting only, kart test, Saturday, October 27th. At Grattan Raceway, so you can check it out on the internet, type it in, whatever. You'll find their website and all that stuff if you're not familiar with Grattan. The cost is $175 per driver. You got to prepay because I can't afford to pay for the joint myself. Okay, lunch and what have you, fixings and stuff for the drivers and crew are on me. That's prepared by one of the brothers that live out there at the racetrack. We usually do brisket, so if we get enough people, we'll have him smoke a big old brisket for us, and it is fabulous. It'll probably kill the old gallbladder since I still got it right now, but who knows? Maybe I'll get that removed and I'll get to enjoy some brisket. But it's a closed test. We're not going to have an open gate. We're not going to allow spectators and people that just want to hang out and look in. Once we get going at 9 o'clock, the only people that'll be allowed in after that are paid drivers that are on the list. On the list, you say, why do you have a list? Because you have to contact me here, f-125@hotmail.com, and I'll give you all the details about being able to come out the day before to drop off your trailer or to camp, which is what I will do. I'll be out there on Friday afternoon. If there's somebody renting the track Friday, we'll have to wait till 5 or 6 o'clock when you're done to get into the paddock, upper paddock. But everybody will be in the upper paddock. The garages are free. Power is free. You can camp for free. Sam is really cool about the track day stuff and the testing with the karts because it's a very small group. Even when we have a big group, I don't think we've ever had more than 35 karts at any one time. And that was actually a bustling day. Here we're looking at probably 20 to 22. We've actually had Octobers where we only had 15. Obviously, it cost a little more than $175 with just that few people. But thanks to Larry. Thanks to y'all on Facebook. I don't know how you guys do it. I mean, that thing is nasty. I don't know how you guys hang around on that Facebook. It's a nightmare. But good luck to you. Thanks for looking in. And if you're interested, even if you want to come out and watch and find out what it's all about, send me an email to the address here so I know who you are and what's going on. If you want to get involved and you're going to bring a cart, you got to contact me. I can take PayPal through this too, but I got to know what kind of cart you're driving, what kind of experience you have if you've never been out here with us before. And if you want to bring, any of you want to bring somebody new to spin a couple laps in your cart, we will actually put aside a 15 or 20 minute time period for anybody who's new to go out and spin some laps without 250s buzzing them or something like that, you know. But we don't want newbies just running around out there in the general test time. So we will make time if we get enough people. You know, we get 3 or 4 people that are new and want to try karting, and you got a buddy that's willing to let them drive their cart. You know, and we'll vouch for them. We'll send them out there on their own. You know, we'll take them around in the truck first so they can see where the track goes and all that, and we'll give them a go. So anything else, send something to that email, and we'll get through to you and fill you in with any extra information about rain dates and all that stuff, how that stuff works. Don't want to spend too much more time here. But thanks, Larry. Appreciate it, man. You're the best. We'll talk to y'all later. God bless.